If your Windows is stuck on welcome logo, you have Windows 10, 11, 7. Then how to repair it? You will get fast welcome logo and start the system. First of all, you have to wait some time on the welcome logo. Now you restart system and press the F12. And you will see another option, recovery, and see advanced repair options. Click and you will see three options: continue, troubleshoot, turn off your PC. You have to press troubleshoot. After pressing, you will see two options, reset, and after that startup repair, and you will get user. After click and continue, and your system is diagnosing your PC. Diagnosing your PC, you have to wait some time. Now your system is repaired. Advanced setting, choose continue and reboot, restart. Now you can see your system is starting and you will get fast start the system. Now come in welcome logo, and that's all. Thank you.